personal brand using AI. So here are three things that we're going to cover: idea generation, content writing, and how to come up with videos. These are the three things that we're going to cover today. Okay, let's start with idea generation. How do I do idea generation? I do idea generation simply by using a concept that I've already taught you, which is chain prompting. I want AI to come up with ideas by scraping through the internet and give me topics or come up with content ideas which has a potential to go viral and is also very recent. Okay, so how do I do that? I've written a nice little prompt. I'll share it with you. Here is what I write. Before as it comes up with, let me show you. You're an expert in coming up with content ideas that have potentially to go viral on social media. Come up with 5 recent topics that I can create content on the topic of generative AI, which has super high chances of going viral on LinkedIn as a written post. Here is what I would like for you to do. Look for similar keywords on internet, read some articles on the internet, come up with 5 topics that I can explore with a score next to it on a possibility of going viral. So I'm asking you to go and research on the internet, read some articles on the internet, and give me a score on what could go viral. And there you go. It has come up with 5 very, very interesting topics. The creative revolution, how generative AI is shaping art and design, 8 out of 10. AI generated content, friend or foe, 7 out of 10. AI healthcare and power generative AI models, 9 out of 10. And this is how you can come up with great ideas. If you have access to the internet, which is the paid version of it, it can come up with even better ideas because it has real-time access to the internet. And you can basically do the same with Copilot as well. Right? You can ask the same with Copilot as well. And here I will say more precise this time. And I can ask the same question to Copilot, and it will be able to come up with everything that we have asked for as well. You can see it is going through content right now, and in the end, it will be able to return us some great ideas. There you go. Copilot is giving us hyper personalization with generative AI as a topic and what to discuss as well. Generative AI and scientific research and blah blah blah, all of that. Great way to come up with some very cool ideas and also ideas potentially which could go viral, and that's the beauty of this, right? So that is how you can come up with great content ideas. I will let you guys explore how to do it. Now, how can you leverage AI to write content for you? Of course, you can use tools like ChatGPT, but what if you can use specialized tools which are designed to give you great content great AI content that can go viral, right? Let's say I pick one of the topic. This is the topic that I want to create content on. Let's say this is the topic that I want to create content on. I go to a tool like Simplified, which is a very cool tool. It has a free version of it, but a very good free version of it. But the best of it gets unlocked with the paid version of this. But let me show you. Let me show you how it works. So once you sign up into Simplified, it can do a lot of things: video, design, social media, assets, and everything. And it can also do AI writing, right? So there are a lot of tools. So if I go in and go to dashboard, let's say I will say, you can see it has a lot of tools. I'll search for content. What's happening? Okay, there you go. I've come here. I'll go to templates. There you go. I can select what I want. I'll select social media, and I will say okay, let's try a YouTube short script. Okay, and the video title is, I just talk about it. I can go to more options and I can say I want 3 different results of this. I want the creativity level to be very creative, and I'll click on generate. And there are a lot of templates like this that you can use to come up with videos, come up with LinkedIn posts, and everything around it. Simplified is very, very powerful. And the moment I do that, it will be able to come up with a bunch of scripts. You can see this. It's giving you voiceover so that what you can read to the camera as well, what can be on the camera, where you can speak, and it's given me 3 very good scripts that you can start playing with. Definitely play around with tools like this because they're built on top of OpenAI, but they're usually better than ChatGPT. And the reason is they're specialized to do something like this. And for all the people who are wondering, how do I come up with all these new ideas or new things that are happening in the world of AI and ChatGPT? Here is how I do it. I use a tool called as Feedly. Okay. What Feedly does, it's an AI powered tool. I'm going to share the link of this tool where I've said every time there's a content that is coming up on the keyword ChatGPT, let me know. So on the internet, every time there's a new thing that comes up, it automatically goes through it and gives me the articles right here. so that I don't have to worry about it. Something that came one day back is right here. So it scrapes the internet, comes up and shows me what are the new things that are coming up in AI. And you can do the same for the keyword that you want. Let's say product, let's say founders, let's say your industry, let's say steel and whatever industry you're in. Every time there's a new article that is coming up on that, it will scrape the internet and it'll show you here. And that way you're always on top of your game. And these are great content ideas for you. In fact, I had taken this a step ahead where what I did was I created an automation. Obviously, cannot show you how I built it because it's going to take a lot of time to do it. I created an automation and I connected it to my Slack. Okay, what I told is every time there's a new article, because I don't have the time to go through all of this, every time there's a new article, if you think that article has the potential to go viral, whatever I showed you manually, automating it, potential to go viral, send that message to me on Slack. And look at this. I call this idea bot. Every time there's a new article that comes on Feedly, it goes to the article, gives me the topic idea that I can create a piece of content on, possibility of going viral, and also summary of the article. It does all of this on the go for me, and you can see this. This was just done yesterday, and today also it has done like some time back. It continues to do it at 12. Like it keeps updating overall on minute to minute scale, and this is done all using automation, and I don't touch it. This way, every time there's a new piece that comes in, that comes directly into my Slack using automation. This is what I mean by you have to learn how to automate your life, right? Now, guys, do you want me to give you a nice little LinkedIn growth hack? Do you guys want me to give you a nice little LinkedIn growth hack? Yes. All right. Let me do that for you guys right now. Okay. You see, when you drop valuable comments on posts of people who have a lot of followers, you end up getting a lot of followers as well. For that, you have to go through the post, read the post, and after you read the post, you have to give a very valuable comment. That way, when people with a lot of followers, their posts go viral, your comment stays in the top, and a lot of people start noticing you. I have gained hundreds and thousands of followers just by doing this, and I used to do it manually, and you don't have to do it because there are AI tools for that. And the tool is called as Engage AI. Engage AI is a Chrome extension that you can install, and once you install that, it's a free tool. When you open any of your when you open LinkedIn, right? Let me open any of the tool, any of the posts. Let's say I want to comment on Ritesh Agarwal's post. Okay, has given a post here. I want to comment on this, but I don't have the time to do it. So if I install Engage AI, which I have here, you can see that little icon. It'll ask me to log in. Yes, it will. Give me a second. I'll quickly log in into this. I'm using the free version. I don't use the paid version of this. Give me a couple of minutes. It's loading right now, but you can quickly see what it can do. All right, I think it is logged in right now, I'm assuming. Or has it not? I'm gonna try it again. Okay, I'm assuming it is logged in. I'm gonna do a quick refresh. Okay. Let's say I want to respond to Royal Challengers Bangalore post. Click on comment, click on this button. Okay, it has not logged in. Essentially what happens is, guys, once it logs in, I don't know what is up. It automatically goes to the post and writes a comment for you back. It's very cool, and you can do that very, very easily by clicking on 5-6 times, and it'll read the post and give you a comment in the tone that you want to. Very, very cool, right? Now, what if I told you that you can create videos? Yes, videos, just with text, and these videos can get millions of views. Would you like to know how to do that? Would you like to know how to do that? Videos just with text. Yes, of course, all of you guys want to know that. And for that, you can use a very, very cool software. It's called InVideo. It's by one of my friends. It's a very, very powerful tool. It's an Indian company which does this, and it's best in the world right now. Let me quickly show you how it works. Okay. What you have to do is InVideo basically goes through whatever you want as a topic, right? And as you enter the prompt in form of just text, it will be, what if all you it will be able to give you a full-fledged video. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, so what it says write a topic and detailed instruction. Make a YouTube short on 5 ways everyone can use generative AI tools to become 100x versions of themselves. End the video by asking which is your favorite AI tool. So essentially, we're giving a very basic script. In fact, I can do something more as well. I can give some context. 5 best AI tools. I'm just Googling something random. Let's say I'm gonna open this article, go back to this. I'm gonna say 5 tools everyone use generative AI, and I'll say refer this article. So it will go through the article and make understand what it is, and basically will analyze all of your content. And by the way, it will come up with a very, very cool video which you might have seen before, which has the potential to go viral. You can see this. It is summarizing the copy and all of that. It might take a couple of minutes to do. So I'm not going to wait for this. I'm going to show you something that I've already made. So there you go. I made a similar video saying 5 steps to success, and this is what it created. Okay.
Catch the wind of success with 5 simple steps. First, set your sights on specific and realistic goals. It's your journey, chart it well. Second, arm yourself with a detailed plan. Every great conquest begins with a map. Third, time is your most valuable asset. Manage it like gold. Technology could be your ally in this quest. Fourth, remember, and march forward. Success might not be easy, but the pursuit is worth every drop of sweat. So, how soon are you starting to follow these steps to success?
You can see that it's a video which is completely created using AI. The script is written using AI. The voiceover is AI. The videos are pulled by AI. They're all edited together by AI in just a few clicks. If you think this is insane, drop a comment insane in the chat. Drop a comment insane in the chat. You can see our video is also getting prepared right now. If I get the time towards the end, I'll definitely show you the video. How cool is this? And yes, you can edit the video as well if you want to after this, but it will put everything together for you. And you must have seen these videos on YouTube and Instagram, right? With a voiceover and everything around it. You must have seen this before. And that's how these tools are made. I mean, a lot of people spend a lot of time, and you can do this on the go. And you can make 5 videos for free using this tool. Guys, drop a boom in the chat. Come on, guys. Drop a boom in the chat. Think this was cool. What if I tell you I can speak in 30 different languages? Would you believe that? Let me show you me speaking in Spanish actually. I hope this video opens up. Guys, all the videos...
Y el trabajo al que debía unirme no existe. Hace aproximadamente un año perdí mi trabajo 2 veces. Ambas veces no participé en eso. Decidí descansar 2 años. Mi vida y descubrir lo que quiero hacer ahora. Así lo hice. Pero durante este tiempo, la gente perdía. Por la pandemia, los negocios...
I don't know how many of you understand Spanish. I don't understand and I don't speak Spanish. But do you think the video is legit, looking like I'm speaking in Spanish? It speaks in my own tone. The mouth movements are synced completely, and all of a sudden, I'm able to speak in Spanish, which I have no idea how to speak with. Do you think this is cool? Drop a boom in the chat if you think this is cool. And how many of you want to learn how to do this? How many of you want to learn how to do this? Yes, let me show you how. It's done using a tool called as HeyGen. Again, it has a free version of it that you can play with. I'm using currently the free version only, if I'm not wrong, right? And this is the tool. We use a tool called as HeyGen. that is not correct feedback, my friend. YouTube doesn't know if it's an AI created video or not. It's not possible for YouTube to know. Anyways, so you once you signed into HeyGen, right? You go to video translate. It can do a bunch of things and basically upload the video into this, whichever video you want, and select the language that you want it to convert in. Swedish, Spanish, whatever it is, you can translate it and it will come up with the language. I did the same video in German as well. So you can upload your own video into this. Up to 30 seconds, it is free. Longer videos will come at a cost and it can speak any language.
Weiß, aber mein geplanter Job.
If you have a very long video like my podcast, there are tools that can do that as well. People usually charge thousands of dollars for this, that they give a long form video like a podcast and say, hey, can you chop this into smaller clip? Or video.ai. Video.ai is again an Indian startup, which basically if you upload a big video like this, right, it will automatically cut them into shorter videos, detect who is speaking, change the frames automatically, add subtitles. For all the people who are, because we're talking about content creation, a lot of us don't have fancy mics. For example, the mic that I'm using is about 50,000 rupees, and I know a lot of people would not have a mic like this, right? So how can we record audio with a very cheap mic or not a very expensive mic, yet we can get really high quality audio out of it? And that's called as Adobe Podcast. Once you upload an audio file, you can upload the file, and look at this. This is a file which is not very clear.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise, echo.
You just saw how there was noise, how there was a fan sound, there's echo and everything. If I click on enhanced speech and click play, now look at this.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech.
Guys, do you notice the difference of how beautiful the audio has become all of a sudden? All the noise is gone, everything is gone. Text. I told you I'll show you a bunch of bonus tools if you do that for me, and I'm doing that just for you guys. This is a very, very cool tool. It is a free version of it. You can, once you upload a video, right, of yours or anything, it will show the whole transcript. And let's say you want to edit a section. If you just edit the text, it will edit the video for you. It is that cool. So make sure go and explore Descript. I will share links of this as well with you guys. So here's the thing. When it comes to content creation, the way you can do content creation on steroids is by merging AI with automation, and that's how you create content creation on steroids. So you can do a lot of things with automation. Content ideas to your Slack, like I showed you. Imagine you like a coming to the most exciting and the last bit of this. I think this is going to blow a lot of you people's mind, is experience AI's audio and video vendor, all video wonders. Guys, for the one last time, can I get a boom in the chat from everyone? Can I get a boom in the chat from everyone? For the one last time, this is going to be insane. You guys ready for this? Loving the energy. Here's the thing, right? Generative AI is not just about text or code. It can do a lot of things. It can do videos, it can do images, it can do audio, and everything around it, right? So let's explore something absolutely insane. Let's AI do magic with audio, video, and everything around it. We will basically build a rap song and create a video of it, write the rap, get the audio, get the beats, and create a video of a person rapping all in 5 minutes. Are you guys excited? All in 5 minutes. Are you guys excited? Drop a hell yeah in the chat. Drop a hell yeah in the chat. All right. So first things first, okay? For you to generate images, you have to use a tool called as Midjourney, okay? This is what Midjourney is. They're phenomenal when it comes to tools. It is sadly a paid tool, and it can create stunning images like this. Absolutely stunning images like this. And the way it works is, once you sign up, you have to connect it to your Discord, which is basically like Slack, and then you can interact with Midjourney. Okay, this is how Discord looks like. Don't worry, we will share a video with you if you don't know how to set this up. Okay, and you have to join this Midjourney here. I'll send you a video so you can do it. And the way you can generate images, you have to type /imagine. Okay, and let's say I want, let's say Elon Musk wearing Indian attire standing in front of Mumbai slums. Whatever, however you want to explain, you can explain exactly what you want, and AI will do its magic to generate an image that will suit what you want. You can see waiting to start. It will start generating images for you in just some time. You can see 0% fast. It is starting to generate image. As this is happening, okay, you can see it has started to generate 15% fast. It will slowly show up images for you. You can see already Elon Musk kind of popping up. It's not clear yet because AI is generating on the go. These are completely AI generated images. This don't exist anywhere. It is imagining and doing it. And guys, drop a boom if you think this is insane. Look at these images. Don't you guys think this is insane? Elon Musk never visited Bombay slums for sure. And we have a crazy, crazy looking image, right? Absolutely insane. Now that we know how to generate images, okay, let's take a step up right now. And let's say I said a rap. So I want to generate a rap right now. Okay. For that, I go to a tool called as uberduck.com. Okay. What this tool does is actually very, very cool. You can select a beat. You can select what the rap is going to be, and it will generate everything for you on the go. Okay. So you can select whatever beat you want. I like that beat. I'm gonna select this beat, click on save and continue. Now it says what is the rap going to be about. Write a rap like Snoop Dogg, who's a very famous rapper, talking about how education is not about getting degrees or certificates, but about actual learning. Okay, a lot of people fall into this trap of degrees and certificates. This is what I want the rap to be. I'll just give a detailed description. Of course, you can upload your own rap here as well. It has given me a rap. I'm going to click on save and continue, and then it's asking me, who do you want it to pay?
There's no need to panic. Trades in my pocket, studs in my ass.
Okay, these are all
Stop
the artists.
posting about him on this. I'm tired of
Okay,
seeing
I'm
it.
gonna select this artist. We sadly don't have Snoop Dogg. It used to be there, now it is gone. But there are a bunch of artists here. I'm gonna select, let's say Big B, and click on generate rap. There you go. You can see it. Something has been created. If I click on the play button, you'll be able to hear the rap. We selected the beat. We made AI type the lyrics and also get the voice.
I'm Snoop Dogg, the king of the West, and I'm here to tell you, don't get it twisted. Education ain't
Guys, what do you
about
guys think
getting
of this?
degrees or certificates. It's about actual learning. That's the real purpose. You can't just memorize and regurgitate. That's not how you learn. It's not how you elevate. You gotta dig deep, find the knowledge within, and let it flow through your veins like adrenaline. It's like a game of chess. You gotta make the right move. Think ahead, anticipate, and never lose. Education is like a muscle. You gotta.
Isn't this insane? We just generated in 5 minutes. Now the way we can take a step up is how to convert this into a video. Okay, this is gonna go on for like 30 more minutes, right? How do we convert that into a video? So the tool that we use is ChatDID. It has a free version of it which we use. I'm not gonna make a video right now because it takes 10 minutes to do it. I've already created a rap with Snoop Dogg here. You upload an image basically. Click on create video, upload the image that you want, in phase that you want. And once you do that, you upload the audio that we just generated using this and click on create video. It will generate a video for you. Let me show you a video that I generated some time back so that we save time. It was not the same rap, slightly different rap. Look at this. I just uploaded this image. That I generated from Midjourney, by the way. Right? This is not a real image, and the image has been converted into video. And check this out. I'll play this one. I like this even more. Give it some time. This is all generated using AI, right?
lifting up. It's time to drop some knowledge about the system. They toast us back in college.
What do you guys think
Snoop
of this
Dogg,
now?
get your set to record straight. Degrees and everything, let me elucidate. See, they push us, don't pass thing and get that degree. But tell me, those that really set your true self free, they make us believe it's up faces us the piece of pattern. But real skills and passion, that's what ownership. Yeah, degrees are useless, skills is what it matters.
So guys, all of these bits, from the rap to the image to the video, everything is generated using AI. That is how powerful AI has got. And no, you will not get links to the presentation. Like I said, no recordings, no presentation. You have to take notes, and that's what will happen. All right? Superb. So I have generated a bunch of images like this. I had generated Elon Musk wearing a sari. You can do all of that, and you can get really, really crazy as well going forward. Where yes, you can upload your own images. They're all advanced stuff, right? And you can use tools like Runway ML, Stable Diffusion, HeyGen, DALL-E, Midjourney, everything around it. You can generate and make something awesome, right? Of course, we had like 15 minutes to cover. In the intensive program that we speak about, we go very, very deep into all of this to blow your minds. Now, let's talk about future for a second. People will not lose jobs to AI, but people who know how to use AI. Quick thing, right? Before you join the workshop to where you are right now in just 2.5 hours, how much have you learned on the go? I asked you guys, I will try to make you guys 10x better.